today we are going to learn how to download Affinity. So Affinity is a software, an all-in-one creative app with everything you need to craft designs, edit images, and lay it all out without ever leaving your document or paying for a thing. So one of the interesting features of Affinity is that it is free and it is made free by Canva. So let's dive straight into it. Let's go to Affinity. You search for Affinity on your web search. If you search for Affinity, usually the first search results or this very green one, you select it. So you see, if you select it, opens affinity.studio website. So you could either select any of these options after scrolling down. For Mac, for Windows, and iPad is coming soon, so you can't download for iPad as of now, but you can download for Mac and for Windows. But I'm waiting for the iPad feature because it will be very cool. But for now, I'm using a Windows, so I'll select Windows. If you use a Mac, you click on sign up to download with Mac. So you click on it like this, and then you continue in it. But then I'm using Windows, so let's go to sign up with Windows to download. It's the same process. So if you are very new to downloading it or very new to this website, you would see that they give you a sign up option. So you could either sign up or continue with Google. But then I've already chosen continue with Google. So if you choose continue with Google, you just have to click on continue. So after clicking on continue, the download Affinity dashboard shows. Then if it's for Mac, you select here. If it's for Windows, you select here. So for Windows too, there are a lot of options, but then you choose the options optimized for your PC. But then the best optimized option I'll choose for a 64-bit PC is the MSI EXE. So you select that one. Then you open download in the downloads folder or any other folder you choose for it to download into. I already have the setup, but let's say I don't have, so I'll click on save. Then it starts downloading. Let me replace it so that you see how the download works. So if I click on save, you see that the download is ongoing, just 640 megabytes. I would finish downloading soon. Now it's done downloading. So you double tap on it, or you could go to the folder where you downloaded it into. If it's in your downloads, you visit your downloads and double tap. But I can just go to the download history and then double tap on it. So showing folder, double tap on it. Then you see a pop-up very soon. This is a pop-up you see on your screen. Install to the following location. Program files affinity/affinity. And if you wanted to see a shortcut on your desktop screen, you can create a shortcut. If you don't want to see any shortcuts, you can uncheck this. But then usually I like to see a shortcut or have a shortcut on my desktop screen. So you click on install. After clicking on install, they will ask you and you have to allow. And then yes, it will prepare and it will finish very, very soon. One thing I love about Affinity is that it is free and it's easy to use and it's also fast. So in no time, the whole thing will be done. So once it's done installing, you see Affinity setup completed successfully. So you close this option. Then you can see the shortcut there. If you can't see a shortcut too, because you disabled the shortcut, you could press the Windows key and then search for Affinity. Then it opens. So any of these you can use, but then I would like to use a shortcut right here. So double tap on the shortcut, then Affinity opens for the first time for you. And then if it's your first time as after downloading, you would have to check in with your account, whether Google account or any account you used. After installing it and choose, it will ask you to choose the account. But since your account might have already been open in the web browser, it would verify your sign in and then you can click on open Affinity. So you click on open Affinity, you can start creating. You could choose anything, let's say A4. I want to use the A4 canvas, so I'll select A4. Then here you have your Affinity. So let's say I type anything, welcome to Affinity. I can increase the font size. And then yes, I'll be doing YouTube tutorials on Affinity. So if you want a crash course on how to use Affinity, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then we'll be going through together. I'll take it slowly with all of you so that you could get used to the interface. But yes, I think Affinity is a good way of designing. Welcome to using Affinity. So don't forget to subscribe and share this video to another creative friend. Like, comment. If you have any challenges, let me know in the comment section, and then we'll help you resolve it. My name is Written Right, and peace. I'm out.